Are you searching for the tips and tricks of the Google Calendar? You landed on the right video. In this video, I'll give you the 5 simple tips to make you more productive, to improve your productivity, to double and save extra 5 hours from your week. If you're brand new to me, please watch the part 1. I've already given the basic tips in the part number 1 of the video. In this video, I go a little bit advanced of it. If you're professional, you can continue watching it. But if you're a brand new to the Google Calendar, please go to that video, maybe somewhere here. Please watch that video and take action there and come back here. I'll be wait. Okay, pause this video and go to that video. Thank you. I hope you watched the part number 1 of the Google Calendar. In this video, I go a little bit advanced and I will give it to you another 5 simple tips and tricks of Google Calendar. Okay, let's dive in. See this, where we are. I'm opening the same calendar in the last video. So the first tip in this part number 2, which is share and integrate calendars. You know what? There is one problem in this world that, Ramesh, what if I want to share my calendar to my husband or to my spouse, to my team members, or my team member has to know what my work is, right? Lot of stuff is going on, but they don't want to interrupt you, right? So to fix this problem, Google provides sharing and integrating the calendars. For example, see this. I'm opening a calendar. This is my original calendar. Okay, original calendar means I'm using this calendar. So click on settings, go to settings. See this here. If you click on import and export, you can export it. For example, if you want, you can export a file. You will get a file called ICS file. If you export that calendar and import it to someone, that is one way. Or other way is click on your calendar. Can you see here? Make available to public. Suppose if you want to make your calendar to be public, you can give that. Or if you want to share your calendar to your only close friends or your spouse, get shareable link. Okay, can you see here? This is very important. This link is very secret, because if someone has this link, right, they will see everything what's happening in your life. Okay, copy this link. I copied it and come to the old calendar. This is my old calendar, like my demo calendar. So I want to import my main calendar to this old calendar. Click on this plus. Can you see the plus? Other calendars, click on plus. Subscribe to a new calendar. Here you can add their Gmail. For example, I want to add Ramesh Yadav Gmail. Okay, so there is no access. Click on the request access. So I got an email. Okay, I got an email. So I will respond to that email. Okay, I have already tested it with another email. You can see how it looks like. See this? All the data from that Gmail, so from main Ramesh Yadav to dummy Ramesh Yadav. So can you see this? All the data has been migrated because of this giving access to someone. Even if you want to see, you can easily check whom you got the access. See this? I have given access to my team members, my another Gmail. If you want, you can add people also to this, right? You can add your spouse, your friends, or whomever it is, to share the calendar. Okay, to share the calendar. And I think you got another doubt, Ramesh, what if I want to migrate my Outlook calendar to my Google Calendar, right? You got this doubt. It's very important, because office work is in Google Calendar, personal life is office work in Outlook calendar, personal life is in Google Calendar. See this? If you click on this calendar, there is a one called import and export. If you want to, there is one shareable link is available from the Outlook. Okay, click on this Outlook, open the Outlook calendar. There is a settings, there is a get shareable link available. They grab that link, and here in import, either you can upload the file. For example, I want to upload this. Maybe I will show you live. See this? I have downloaded my Outlook calendar. I am uploading it here. Okay, I am uploading it here. Just click on the plus, subscribe to a calendar, import. I'm adding my main calendar here also. Basic means I downloaded it already, just to show you. So I'm importing it. Just click on the import button. Can you see here? You can import event information in iCal or CSV MS Outlook format. It means you export it in Outlook and import it in Google. Okay, import. It takes 1 minute and it will show you a pop-up that imported all. You will blow your mind because entire calendar will be filled with the original calendar. See this? I'll go to here. It takes some time to come. Within give me 5 seconds, it will come. Okay, boom. Could not upload because you don't have enough. Okay, because oh, boom. See this? See this? This is my blue colors as my original calendar, Ramesh Yadav calendar, and Productivity Empire is my demo calendar to demonstrate the concepts. Right? See this? My movie time, my learning time, my YouTube time, all the time came to here. Awesome, right? If you really felt it's awesome, hit that like button. Hit that really like button so that I can see you are loving this. Okay. And the another tip I would love to give you, the second tip for today, I would love to give it to you is this. Instead of using your opening the calendar in the laptop or in the phone to do it, you can easily do it from your voice also. Okay. Open your phone. You can talk to your phone to add a task. For example, I'm adding a task here using my phone. Okay. Add an event at 4 p.m. today.
What's the title of the event?
Go to saloon.
Got it. Go to saloon today at 4 p.m. Do you want to save that?
Yes.
Sure. I saved your event.
Can you see this? I have added one more event just to test. Can you see it here? Go to saloon at 4 p.m. today. So this is the one more trick. If you say, Ramesh, I don't have time to open a calendar from phone or from a laptop, at least you have words, right? You can use voice search. It could improve your English speaking skills. Along with that, it would build a good rapport with the Google, right? And you can also fill your calendar using your voice. Please use it. And the third trick and strategy for Google Calendar is this: drag and drop events. For example, you plan for trim the beard at 6 p.m. right? But for some reason, maybe you have other emergency, so you want to move it to something else. You don't need to edit the time, but you can drag the event. For example, I want to move my trim the beard to at 8 p.m. Okay, click and drag, and only this event. You got this option like this event or this and all the future events or all the events. It's up to you. I'm saying only this event, only today. Please move my trimming the beard to 8 p.m. See this? Boom. Awesome, right? Just type MB in the chat. Mind blown. I mean in the comments. Got it? So this is how you can drag and drop the events. For example, I want to drag this. You can play games with it. Okay. Suppose you miss the exercise today. You want to move it to Tuesday. For example, you miss the Tuesday exercise, Monday exercise, and move it to Tuesday. Yes, you can do that. Because you added the accountability partner, it will ask for a pop-up. You can send them also so that it will be moved. Awesome, right? This is the power of the calendar. Because if you use the calendar well, you will get a lot of space, lot of clarity on your week. Okay, on your week, how much time where you're utilizing, whether it's a right way or a wrong way or a distractive way, right? If you're randomly executing the things, it never work. Okay. And the fourth tip for Google Calendar is density and color. For example, if you want even more thick colors, suppose I'm opening my calendar to demonstrate directly. So suppose I want even more thick colors. I'm opening the next week. See this, my colors, how colorful it is. So my goal is to make your work more fun. Suppose I want to change the color density. Click on the settings, gear button, and click on density and color. Here you will get multiple options. For example, you want to see a white text, modern with white text. See this? This is the modern way. White, you will see the white text here. Suppose if you want to see the black text. Okay, it's up to you. I love this white text. Okay, and here also it's a compact, means very compact to the screen, or it should be responsive based on the screen size. I prefer responsive. Okay, this is the fourth tip I would love to give, that you can utilize it based on your need. Okay, even have you seen it? I moved this exercise, right? And let us come to the final tip. The fifth tip of Google Calendar in the part number 2 is restore deleted events from trash easily. For example, you deleted this. Click on this. You deleted it for some reason. Maybe you don't need it. You deleted it, but you found that you want it again. Please don't add it directly again. Instead, what you can do is you click on this gear button, go to trash, and you can see this here MDH. I recently deleted it. Click on this tick box and you can say undo. See this, restore all selected. Restore it. So it will be restored to the calendar back. So there is no, see this MDH is again came. It's my learning routine. These are all the 5 tips from this part 2 of the Google Calendar tips and tricks. I'll give a summary once again. The first tip is share and integrate calendar using import and export. Second, add events based on your voice. Okay, use voice, Google Voice or Amazon Echo Voice to add events into your calendar. Third, drag and drop events in case you miss some emergencies happen. You drag them instead of recreate them. 4, density and color, where you can change the colors and compact and responsiveness. 5, you can restore the deleted events and tasks easily from the trash, right? If you really love this, please implement this. Okay, please implement this stuff also immediately after this video in your calendar. Play with it. If you have another Gmail, create one more Gmail if you don't have, and play with the calendar so that you will get a lot of clarity where your time is moving, right? And you can delete them easily. There is no payment, there is no objection. You can create as many as possible. Sometimes I play with my calendar like the whole day, like to test the features. Even to record the part 3 series, I have researched like 8 hours of intensive in the calendar, adding something, deleting something, trying, testing, right? If you really love this, please hit that love symbol, like button, and then subscribe to this brand new channel. If you're really brand new to me, this is Ramesh Yadav, productivity expert. I love to make your work more fun, to help you to reach your full potential every single day, along with your family time, so that you really give your best every single day. And please hit that subscribe button so that gives me a boost to me and to the YouTube also to reach maximum people. And finally, please, why not you can share this playlist. Maybe if you are watching the second part, please go to the first part and third part also, watch it full, so that you will see the whole meal instead of the one snack, right? It's a whole meal. So you watch the part 1 and part 2 and part 3. Okay, in case if you watch it only one video, somewhere here you will get the 3 videos. Please watch it and implement it immediately. Why not you can share this video into your colleagues groups, maybe office groups or maybe friend circle. You know what, even one person who implemented this from your network, they will be more thanking you, because you are giving them the right weapon to become very productive. Or if you want to learn more from my side, click that link below, join my next live webinar where I will handhold you how to become effortlessly productive without laziness or distractions. This is Ramesh Yadav. See you in the part 3. Bye.